Hi friends, welcome to our video channel. Today we are going to see how to do push-up for beginners in home. Let's go to the action. Let's see how to do knee push-up. Knees on floor. Keep your hands lined up with your chest and slightly wider than your shoulders. Move your body down and push yourself up. Do it continuously, you will get progress and you can do full push-up. If you are able to do one rep, do it. Increase one by one rep in upcoming days and you will get progressed. Then you will be able to do full push-up. Let's see how to do half push-up. In half push-up, keep the body in plank position and move towards the ground. Instead of going down fully, we are covering a small distance in initial stage. We can keep pillow, ball or any other object to support for half push-up. Once you are progressed, you can increase the covering distance by removing the object. Engage your core while doing the push-up. Inhale while going down and exhale while coming up. While doing push-up, keep your body straight. Don't bend your shoulders. Keep your shoulders straight. Next we will see how to do negative push-up. Negative push-up, you should do opposite of push-up. That is, your starting point should be the ground and come up. Keep your hands lined up with your chest and push yourself up. While going down, you can have help of your knees. If you are not able to balance your hand, then relax your hand in every reps and start from the ground. If you are not able to do even these due to obesity or low balance, then the option is wall push-up. Choose a wall, keep a convenient distance, stand facing the wall, keep your head in neutral position, hand lined up with shoulders and slightly wider than the shoulder width. Move towards the wall slowly and carefully and come back to the starting position. Keep your body straight and raise calf muscles. Initially cover a small distance by standing near to the wall, which will be easier for beginners. You can keep more challenging by covering more distance from the wall. Wall push-up will help in good body balance and good progression for beginners in push-up. Once you are progressed, you can reduce the height and do the push-up with the help of a bench, slab or a chair. Keep reducing the height by trying to do push-up in a heightless material. Over the time, you will get progressed and you can do full push-up. Next we will see one of the best step-by-step progression method for push-up is step push-up. I would suggest this method to see your step-by-step progression in push-up. Make your grip stronger and perform push-up in inclination manner. Get progress by reducing the steps in step-by-step manner. You will able to see your grip, endurance and strength increase in upcoming days. Reduce the step one by one till you reach the ground level and you will be able to do full push-up. Once progressed, focus on alignment and good posture.
If you like this video, click the like button. If the video is useful, share to your friends and family. Subscribe to Fit and Sack channel and click the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Peace bro.